Hi, this is Nicole Smith Woodard with eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about the advantages of new construction. There are so many advantages to buying a brand new home, and I can speak to that personally because my husband and I just moved into our brand new home this spring, and it is wonderful in so many ways. First and foremost, the obvious. When you buy a new home, you get to take advantage of the new floor plans. We have a huge open great room and the most current design elements. We have marble counters in our kitchen. We have subway tile backsplash and in our showers. We have quartz countertops in our bathrooms. And we didn't have to demo the home we currently lived in order to get those things. But also is the lack of maintenance that we're going to have to deal with over the next probably 5 to 10 years. You know, if you're spending time on your evenings and weekends taking care of problems with the older home that you live in, or spending lots and lots of money on new HVAC systems, or just, you know, taking care of all the things that come with home ownership, really for the first 5 years or so, all you really need to do in a new home is just change out your air filters. The other thing about a new home is it's new technology. So just like as you update your phone or you update your computer, homes are updated as well. And so some of the technology that is in place now when building a home creates tremendous energy efficiency, which ultimately yields cost savings. So even though as you look at new construction, your eyes might just pop out a little bit if you have a little bit of sticker shock if you haven't looked at building a new home in a while, and you might think it's a tremendous premium. But coupled with historically low interest rates and your minimal cost of maintenance and upkeep and upgrades, then really the cost of ownership over the next 5 to 10 years, say, might actually be less than what you're currently spending to be where you are. The big reason why you may want to consider new construction, at least in this market, is because as you look to where you would go next in order to take advantage of selling your current home in this white-hot market, is you actually have the opportunity and the luxury of time on your side where you can pick the property, pick the floor plan, pick the improvements that you want to make. If you're competing in that pre-owned market, you don't have that luxury. You have to jump into it like everybody else, be willing to potentially pay as much as 10% or more over the list price, and still end up with a home where you may inherit some maintenance issues. So I'm all about helping people buy and sell homes. You know, real estate is a very personal decision. It's a very personal process, and it all starts with a conversation. So if you're considering a new home, whether it's new construction or pre-owned, I'm happy to help. So thank you for the opportunity, and thank you for tuning in and listening. And I appreciate the opportunity to be your residential real estate resource.